Let's say we have a cylinder, an inch and a half by 4, as shown. I'm taking the dimensions off so we could work easily. Okay, let's start with the spline, SP line. This is for advanced users because I cannot tell you everything that I'm doing because it will take a long time if I do that. I'm sorry for the background noise. The air conditioning is not cooperating with me today. Then I'm gonna hatch it with the ANSI 31 45-degree angle with a 0.125 scale. Locating the center, then exploding the hatch, then deleting the intermediate hatch as shown. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, in a sequence like that, as then so on and so forth. Then when you're close to the center line, you stop and go to the other end and do the same thing. Then after deleting the intermediate lines in the sequence, delete the remaining lines in the middle and then just leave the center line there. Yeah, the line in the center. Then we're just breaking the lines randomly, one, one or two lines per line or three maximum. You don't have to do this, but for me it's nice just to refine it a little bit. make it into a dynamic block, so you just have to insert it every time you need it. Now you can make this just a regular block, and there are ways to insert it and use the properties for that when adapting it to a certain size. But for me, I'd rather have controls on it. That's why I want dynamic block. Now that the parameter is set, we can now delete the outline of the cylinder. Redrawing the cylinder outline again, since I deleted it inside the block, so I can show you how to place the hatch. And there you go, a dynamic hatch for cylindrical object ends.